Very good morning everyone. My today's topic is tenses, which is for 7th class. Let us define present tense. A verb which refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. And discuss the first topic, simple present. For example, I usually get up at 6 o'clock. This example is showing habits or repeated actions which he does daily. Second one, water boils at 100 degree. Fish lives in water. These examples are representing general truths, or we can say that universal truth also, because everybody is aware that water boils at 100 degree only and fish lives in water. So these are the general truths. Third one, my grandfather lives in Nagpur. Let us come to the present continuous tense. Example is, they are playing cricket. Ravi is using the internet. These examples are used for actions which are happening now. So what is the happening now? Playing cricket and using the internet. Second one, Mr. Lal is writing a novel. Here we can understand from the example, he has started the novel but not finished yet. At this moment he may be doing something else also. Next example, they are painting their house this month. Mr. Menon is flying to Singapore tomorrow. These examples are used for talking about people's plans और अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर द फ्यूचर, यानी कि ये इवेंट्स फ्यूचर में या भविष्य में होने वाले हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, मिस्टर जोशी हैज़ गॉन टू पुणे. आनंद हैज़ ईटन ऑल द बिस्किट. हियर these examples are used for actions in the past when we are not talking or thinking about the exact time that happened. This tense connects the past with the present in some way. इसका मतलब ये है कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट जो पास्ट को वर्तमान में लेके जा रहा है, पास्ट को प्रेजेंट की ओर लेके जा रहा है, उसे बोलते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. नेक्स्ट वन, लेट अस डिस्कस द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. For example, Suresh has been using the computer since 10 o'clock. We have been living here for 4 years. These examples are used to talk about actions which started at some time in the past and are still continuing. Or since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. Since का मतलब ये होता है जब कोई घटना या कोई चीज़ किसी समय से स्टार्ट होता है या शुरुआत होती है, और फॉर तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई चीज़ कुछ वर्ष के लिए होता है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड फॉर एन एक्शन फिनिश्ड एट सम टाइम इन द पास्ट. वी ऑफ्टन टॉक और थिंक अबाउट ए डेफिनेट टाइम इन द पास्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, yesterday, Monday, last month, in 2001, 5 years ago. See the example, संजय phoned me last night. इसका मतलब ये हो गया संजय कल रात फ़ोन किया था. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. It means that they had already lived millions of years ago and they are now not available in the world. I recorded yesterday's match on video. Means the time is over already. The event has been taken place yesterday. So now these all the events are completed and they are not existing now. ये सारे इवेंट्स हो चुके हैं और ये समय के बारे में बता रहा है. जैसे हो गया लास्ट नाइट, ईयर्स एगो, यस्टरडेज. तो हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हमेशा समय बताने के लिए प्रयोग करते हैं.